I'm Dr Conor Martin. I'm a care of the elderly registrar here in Ysbyty, Gwynedd, and I work in general medicine as well. I grew up in Bangor, and my grandfather was an ENT surgeon in the Carnarvon and Anglesey Hospital, and then my mother was a pharmacist in Ysbyty, Gwynedd, so I always had a lot of medicine in my family, and I sort of just grew up thinking that looked like quite a good job, and I was always sort of more science orientated, and it just seemed like the natural thing to do with my family background, really. So most of my degree was based in Cardiff, but of course we are sent all over Wales for our placements, and I did spend a few months up here doing medicine and surgery as a fifth year medical student, and enjoyed it a lot. So as soon as I graduated, I worked in Newport Hospital, and then I took a year out to work in Malawi in Africa, and then I always had the aim of coming back up North Wales to have a family here. First of all, I started in Wrexham, but then I've gradually edged my way back west, and I'm now moving back to Anglesey with my wife and 3 kids. As part of my specialist training, I asked whether I could do a Masters in Ageing and Dementia, and with the support of the Wales Deanery and the postgraduate department in Bangor, I was able to go ahead and do a Masters in Research in Ageing and Dementia in Bangor, and I found that's been the greatest help to me moving on with my career and taking an interest in research as well. I guess I always knew deep inside that I wanted to come back home. I feel at home amongst the mountains and amongst local people here. I love speaking to people about how things used to be in this area, what's changed, what's still the same, and I do love speaking Welsh to people around here as well. So for me it just feels like coming home, and I've got a really great team in the care of the elderly department as well to work with, so I'm just really happy to be here.